Hey everyone, this is a trend alert video for TikTok called #SonOfA, and it uses the time warp waterfall effect. Before we begin, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you enjoy these kind of videos and turn on bell notification. If this video helps you out, then please hit that like button and let me know in the comment section down below. So this hashtag is a trending effect where you are clinging on to your hopes and dreams, but then you're dragged back into reality or your commitments. So to do this trend, you'll need a time warp waterfall effect. Let me show you how to do this trend video. Open your TikTok app on your phone. Now tap on Discover, search for #SonOfA. Now tap on the hashtag result. Now you'll come to this screen where you'll see all the examples of how people have filmed this trend. Once you're ready to film, I would suggest using the same sound, so tap on a video which uses a sound, then tap on the sound and add it to your favorites. The sound name will be displayed on screen. Now go back to the hashtag SonOfA page and tap on Use this hashtag. You'll see an effect on screen. Swipe right to change the direction of the effect. Now tap on Add Sound, then select the sound from your favorites. Now for this trend, you need to set up the timer, select 3 seconds, place your camera far and start to record your video. Start yourself on the left side of the screen and then you're suddenly being dragged into the effect. On the next screen, add your text, your hopes and dreams on the left hand side and the reality on the right hand side. And once you're done, you can go ahead and post it on TikTok. And there you go, that is how to create the trending hashtag video called SonOfA. My name is Karthik and you're watching The Simple Dad. Thanks for watching, see you in the next one.